Did you know that there is free assistance for Medicare in every state? It's typically called SHIP, State Health Insurance Programs. Has different names in different states, HICAP, SHIBA, but there's some state office, should be several local offices, typically staffed with volunteers that can give you advice and help with Medicare. Now, I've been telling people for years that these people are volunteers and why they might have, your best interests at heart. They're not skilled and qualified. They're not professional, experienced insurance agents. You're like, oh, well, I don't want an agent. You're going to make a commission off me. You get paid for your job. Why is that terrible? It should not be a problem. Why would you want to work with a professional that works for free? Would you want to go to a free doctor? I mean, hypothetically, why is it free? If it has value, there should be some cost associated with it. But that's not my problem. My problem's not hypothetical. My problem is that I have been on the stage where they've had several speakers on Medicare many times, and the volunteer will go first and speak and say things that are wrong. And it's typically an older lady with gray hair, and here I walk up, my hip vibe, right? And I say, that was not correct. People don't believe me. Retirees believe retirees. Now, as I've gotten older, that has helped my credibility. But you can do your own research, and the Journal of American Medicine published a report. You can go find it on the internet. And they did secret shopping where they called about 400 different of these local offices. And they said that 40% of the time, they couldn't get an answer, they couldn't get a callback, or they got a wrong answer, either patently wrong or incomplete. 40% of the time. Now, they only did this 300, 400 agency survey, but we already knew this all along. Unfortunately, some people are scared of working with an insurance agent. They're like, they're just going to make money off of me. You're not scared when you go to Walmart. They're going to make money off of you. Find an agent you can trust. If you don't trust us, my family, the Medicare family, that is fine. There's 40,000 other agents that work in the Medicare area. Try to interview people. How long have you been doing this? How many products do you represent? You can check out their disciplinary record online. That is available. How many clients do you have? Ask them some questions until you have that gut feeling that this person is trustworthy, is experienced, and has your best interest at heart. And work with them. You're going to work with this person for the rest of your life because Medicare is always changing. So you want to find that good relationship with that person that you can trust, the ins and outs that are ahead of you. You're not going to have that. You're not going to have a client care team with help after you enroll. You're not going to get that from volunteers, right? I'm not getting my client. They're not going to be able to help you with that. So you're fine to go to the volunteer offices, talk to them, get some advice, see what they say. But when it comes time to enroll in your plans, it's very, very important that you pick a licensed, bonded, insured, certified professional to help you with these decisions. Again, we'd love for you to work with us, themedicarefamily.com. But if you don't, pick somebody that you do trust. And if you learned something today, please give me a follow or hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.